Hello everyone, welcome back to Bun's drawing channel. Today, we're going to draw a really cute octopus. Before we begin, please prepare your paper and pens to draw with Bun. Let's get started. To draw a beautiful octopus, follow along with Bun's step-by-step. While you're drawing, Bun will tell you an interesting story about an octopus. Would you like to hear it? If so, let's draw and listen to the story together. Deep in the vast blue ocean lived a little octopus named Bobo. Bobo wasn't an ordinary octopus. He had 8 long, very soft tentacles, but what made him special was that he loved helping his friends in the sea. Whenever someone was in trouble, Bobo would readily jump in to help without hesitation. One day, while Bobo was swimming among the vibrant coral reefs, he encountered a small fish crying. Bobo gently swam closer and asked, "What's wrong? Why are you so sad?" The little fish looked up, its eyes filled with sadness. "I'm lost. Can't find my home anymore." Hearing this, Bobo smiled and said, "Don't worry, I'll help you find your way home." The octopus then extended his 8 tentacles, gently wrapped them around the little fish, and swam along with him. They swam through colorful coral reefs, dark, deep sea areas, and even lush green seagrass beds. Along the way, Bobo told the little fish about his adventures and the interesting places he had explored at the bottom of the ocean. The little fish gradually felt less afraid and began to smile. Bobo not only helped the fish find its way, but also made it feel safer on the journey. Finally, after a while, they arrived at a brightly lit area of the sea, where a school of fish was swimming happily. The little fish looked around and realized that this was where it lived. "Thank you so much, Bobo," the little fish exclaimed happily, turning back to express its gratitude. Bobo simply smiled and replied, "I'm happy to help you. Whoever you are, wherever you are, if I can help, I'm always ready." Then Bobo swam away, continuing his ocean exploration. After that day, every creature in the sea knew about Bobo. The octopus was famous not only for his cuteness, but also for his kind heart and willingness to help others. Whenever someone was in trouble, the sea creatures would turn to Bobo, and he would always use his 8 tentacles to help, bringing joy and peace of mind to everyone. For Bobo, a small act, like helping a friend, could create a better world. And even though he was just a tiny octopus in the sea, Bobo proved that compassion is the most important thing, and it can make the world a brighter place than ever before. Did you enjoy the story Bun just told? If you liked it, don't forget to give Bun a like so Bun can tell even more interesting stories. Now, let's add some decorations around the picture to make it more lively. Let's read the names of the shapes aloud with Bun while we draw.
Circle, circulo, square, quadrado, triangular, triangulo, diamond, rombo, heart shape, forma di corazon, rectangle, rectangulo.
Awesome! We've finished the picture. Have you all finished your pictures? Don't forget to show them to your parents for lots of compliments. Now, let's play a little game. The color selection wheel. Are you ready? If you're ready, let's begin.
Pink, rosa, pink, rosa, pink, rosa, pink, rosa, pink, rosa, orange, Naranja, orange, Naranja, orange, Naranja, orange, Naranja, orange, Naranja. yellow, red, rojo, red, rojo, red, rojo, red, rojo, green, verde, green, verde, green, verde, green, verde, green, verde, yellow, amarillo, yellow, amarillo, yellow, amarillo, yellow, amarillo, yellow, amarillo, blue, azul, blue, azul, blue, azul, blue, azul, blue, azul, purple, purpura, purple, purpura, purple, purpura, purple, purpura, purple, purpura.
So, we've finished coloring. Now, let's count together how many decorations are around our picture. Come on, let's count out loud.
1, and no. 2, dos. 3, ders. 4, cuatro. 5, cinco. 6, seis.
So, we now have 6 decorative shapes around us. I wonder what those shapes are and what colors they are. Let's read aloud the names of the shapes and their colors together.
Square, quadrado, triangular, triangulo, circle, circulo, diamond, rhombo, rectangle, rectangulo, heart shape, forma de corazón, orange, naranja, pink, rosa, yellow, amarillo, blue, azul, red, rojo, green, verde, purple, purpura,
Great. We finished drawing. How about you? Are you done? Remember to share this picture with your friends. And don't forget to show it to your parents. Goodbye, everyone. This is the finished drawing. Remember to turn on notifications to see more cute drawing videos. Goodbye, everyone. See you in the next video.